Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic CorelCAD tutorial how to create 2D solid. So for example, I will draw rectangle, and if you want to convert this rectangle into solid, you can click at this icon 2D solid. For the first point, I will click in it in the corner, the second point, the third point, and then the fourth point. So to be automatically convert into solid. You can right click properties, and in here we have the solid one. So you can create again, like I will draw with line, simple sketch this, and to convert into solid you can click here to the solid, click from this point, and the third, the fourth, and then it will be automatically convert. So you can click again from this point into here, and then click from this point into here. It will be automatically fill and convert into solid. Okay, that's it for basic CorelCAD tutorial how to convert sketch into 2D solid. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.